Peace be upon you all. Today we will see one question from exercise 10.3, question number 4 from quadratic equation chapter. Let's start. Question is the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age is 1 by 3. Now, sum means we know we have to add. Keep in mind, sum means we have to add. Subtract means we have to subtract, we have to do minus. Keep in mind. Now, we'll start. We don't know the Rahman actual age that we have to find his present age. So we will take Rahman's age as x. Rahman's age as x. Let the present age of Rahman be x. We don't know the present age of Rahman, so we have taken present of age of Rahman be x. Now what he is saying, reciprocal of ages 3 years ago. 3 years ago means before 3 years. 3 years ago means 3 years before. Now if suppose present age is x, before 3 years Rahman was x minus 3. Let's take one example. How is it? Suppose now your age is 15. If somebody asks you what was your age 3 years before, what you will do? You will just subtract 15 minus 3 and you will say my age was 12. Same like this, we don't know age of Rahman. We have taken the present age of Rahman as x. So 3 years ago the Rahman age was x minus 3. 3 years ago Rahman age was x minus 3 years. And 5 years from now. 5 years from now means after 5 years. 5 years from now means after 5 years. After 5 years, Rahman age will be x plus 5 years. If somebody asks you what will be your age after 5 years, what will you do? What you can do is you have to add just present age plus 5 years. It will give you the total age of yours after 5 years. So after 5 years, Rahman age will be x plus 5 years. Now, in the question it is given sum of the reciprocal. Sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age. Rahman's age is equal to 1 by 3. Now, one age is given which is 3 years ago and one age is given which is after 5 years. So we have to add both, and it should be reciprocal of Rahman age. It is given here x minus 3. Before 3 years, Rahman age was x minus 3. Reciprocal of x minus 3 is 1 divided by x minus 3 plus. We have to take reciprocal as given in the question. Now, after 5 years, his age will be x plus 5 years. Its reciprocal 1 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now, what we can do is we can take the LCM. LCM is x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now, whatever LCM you have taken, that LCM has to be multiplied with this value. When you multiply with this value, what will happen? X minus 3 and x minus 3 will get cancelled, and remaining is x plus 5. 1 into x plus 5 is again x plus 5 plus. Now when you multiply here, what will happen? X plus 5 and x plus 5 get cancelled. Remaining is x minus 3, which is equal to 1 divided by 3. Now I will solve it here because this x plus x will be 2x. Then 5 minus 3 will be 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. When you open the brackets, x plus x is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2. Divided by x into x is x square. Then x into 5. Oh. See how to open the bracket. X into x square. X into 5 plus x into 5 is plus 5x. Now minus 3 into x will be minus 3x. Minus 3 into 5, minus into plus, minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's see what will be the further solution. 2x plus 2 divided by x square will be as it is. 5x minus 3x will be plus 2x. Then minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Again, we solve here. Now cross multiplication. This can be multiplied here and this can be multiplied there. It is called cross multiplication that we can do here now. This value into 1 will give you same value. Anything into 1 is anything. So it will be x square plus 2x minus 15. This denominator into 1 is same as that denominator. 2x plus 2 into 3. Now see here, 3 into 2x will give you 6x, and 3 into 2 will give you 6. Now transfer those values to left hand side. It will be x square plus 2x minus 15. Transfer both the values to left hand side. Both are in plus. When you transfer, it will be minus. Now x square as it is, we have two terms of x, so we can subtract it. 2x minus 6x. It will be minus 4x. Now here minus 15 minus 6 will be minus 81 is equal to 0. Now we got this equation. Now we have to factorize it. We have to factorize that equation and find the present age of Rahman. Now see here and how to factorize 1 into 21 will be 1 into 21 is equal to 21. We have to multiply coefficient of x square into constant will be 21. Then we have to write 21 again and this minus 4. Now we have to select the two numbers. Product of two numbers. We have to choose the two numbers and product of those two numbers should be 21. And when you add or subtract, it should be minus 4. Those two numbers are 7 3s are 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Now important is which is minus, which is plus. Okay. Now here we want minus 4. So minus sign should be with the greater number. Greater number is 7. So factors are minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 will give you minus 4 that we have to add here. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. A further solution I will do here. Now see there, in these two values, in these two terms, x is common. In these two terms, x is common. If I take x common, remaining is x minus 7. Then in these two terms, 3 is common. 3 and 21 both comes under the same table, so we can take 3 as common. If 3 common, again remaining x minus 7 in the bracket is equal to 0. 3 we have taken common, so x will remain. Then when you divide 21 by 3, you will get 7. Now what is common in this equation? X minus 7 is the common term. So we have taken x minus 7 as common. Then remaining is x plus 3, which will be in the next other bracket, second bracket. Now x minus 7 is equal to 0 and comma x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now answer is here x is equal to 7. And when you transfer minus value, it will be plus. When you transfer plus value, it will be minus. So it is x is equal to minus 3. We know age cannot be negative. We know age cannot be negative. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubt, you can contact me, or you can just write in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, or share the solution, and share with your friends also. They will also get benefited. Thank you for listening.